Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook soft, perfectly tender bacon that's never crispy or brittle. First, grab a large, heavy-bottomed pan. Cast iron or a sturdy stainless steel skillet works best. These types of pans distribute heat very evenly, which prevents those annoying hot spots. This initial step is really important for consistent results, ensuring every piece cooks beautifully. Now lay your bacon strips flat into that cold pan, ensuring they are in a single layer. It's crucial not to overlap them, because overlapping causes the bacon to steam, rather than fry properly. Starting with a cold pan is a secret to tenderness. It allows the fat to render slowly and gently. This gradual heating process helps create that wonderfully soft, pliable texture we're aiming for. Next, place your cold pan on the stove and set the heat to low to medium-low. Aim for around 250-275 degrees F if your stove has precise temperature settings. This gentle heat is absolutely key for slowly rendering the bacon fat, preventing it from crisping up too quickly. As the fat slowly melts and pools around the strips, it gently fries the meat, keeping it tender and delicious. After about 8 to 10 minutes, you'll see the bacon start to curl, and the edges will begin to firm up slightly. Now it's time to begin flipping your strips. Continue to turn them every few minutes or so, ensuring that each side gets evenly cooked and lightly browned. For perfectly soft bacon, expect the total cooking process to take approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Once your bacon has reached your desired level of softness, use tongs to carefully remove the strips from the pan. Transfer them immediately to a plate that you've lined with a few sheets of paper towel. This quick step helps to absorb any excess grease, leaving you with just pure, tender bacon. Now, simply serve and enjoy your perfectly cooked, wonderfully soft bacon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.